Hey, so I got Davis here. Davis has had us 3 times now. I'll let him tell his story. But so here we go. Let's go right ahead.
Hey guys, how's it going? Like you said, this is my I've actually been here 4 times.
4 times?
Yeah, 4 times in a row now. And I personally
4 days in a row?
4 days in a row.
Okay.
And I personally get the hot honey chicken sandwich.
Okay.
I've been to a lot of places that serve chicken, and I personally like hot honey chicken. This chicken compared to anywhere else, by far the best chicken I've ever had. If you ever wanted to try somewhere new, I highly recommend Atomic Wings hot honey sandwich. He also gave me 2 samples of some chicken wings, both amazing.
Those were boneless wings.
Yes.
But they were very good.
They were amazing though. So if you guys ever want to try something new, I definitely recommend coming here.
All right. Well, thanks again, Davis. Appreciate your support, man.